Yep, there she is. Finally. Getting some decent video of you. I'll settle for bathing video or... Oh dear. Tanager versus Bluebird.
23-7 win over Atlanta today to get to 2-2, but Vaughn Miller,
oh,
I think everybody was just fine with him sitting out early in the year. That they wanted to extend
it's a Scarlet Tanager.
As far back as you want. Just, hey, if you're a Buffalo fan, give me Vaughn in December and January. Maybe February 11th in Las Vegas.
I wonder if she's nervous. She's migrating. Ooh, she's not going to take no guff from him. Oh, oh, mean.
Was a good one. He came into the league with the 9th overall selection out of Georgia back 8 years ago by Chicago. There he is lined up. He was on that Super Bowl winning team for the Rams a couple of years ago when they beat Cincinnati. Vaughn Miller was paired up with him on that defense. They're going to be reunited once Vaughn gets back in uniform. Well, when they know Tommy's passing down, they spread out wide. Look at how wide these ends are. 3rd and 17. By the Broncos today. They're down 21 against the Bears. And they come back and Sean Payton gets his first win as the Denver head coach. The man who really brought you into the NFL as an undrafted free agent.